Welcome to this tutorial on how to get your MetaTrader 5 login details on Deriv. First, you need to create an account on the Deriv platform if you haven't done so already. Visit the Deriv website and sign up by providing your email address and creating a password. Once your account is set up, log into your dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the Create Account section. Here, you will select the type of account you wish to open. For trading on MetaTrader 5, opt for a synthetic account or a financial account, depending on your preference. Fill in the required details and click on the Create button. This will generate your account, and you will be able to see your account information. Once your account is created, look for the option to access your MetaTrader 5 login details. This usually appears in the Account Settings or Account Information section. You will find your login ID and password specifically for MetaTrader 5. Make sure to note these down securely for future use. Finally, open your MetaTrader 5 application and enter the login details you retrieved from Deriv. Connect to the server specified, and you should be able to start trading. Always ensure that you keep your login credentials safe and secure. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy trading.